What up guys, welcome to Chef Vic, and today I'm going to show you guys a cool, delicious recipe how to make eggs benedict. Good old classic breakfast item for you guys. It's Christmas morning, you know what I'm saying, or even Christmas Eve morning. So I hope you guys enjoy, stick around, and let's get started. Alright my friends, so we're going to start off with beautiful butter. This is salted butter I like to use. So it's going to be a half a pound of butter. So we're going to start off with getting somewhat started with the Hollandaise sauce. And this is by melting the butter, of course. Throw that in. And then set this on your stove. Set it on low heat. Let it melt completely. Just make sure you don't burn it, of course. And then, of course, prep our muffins. I'm using sourdough English muffins, or you guys use whole wheat, or you can even use toast even if you guys don't like muffins. Cut these bad boys in half, like so. And then we're gonna get a nice heated pan, toast this bad boy but up when the time has come. So let's start with eggs. Alright guys, so we're gonna start off with the Hollandaise sauce, of course. This would be a nice and simple thing. So get another little bowl. This is gonna be the bowl we're gonna use to do the double boiler, when you have a pot underneath with water, and you're using the steam from the water to pretty much slowly cook your eggs, but not to a scramble, of course. So crack your eggs. So, I like using this method if you guys like doing the back and forth motion with the eggshell to separate the yolks from the whites. Be my guess. I kind of like making Hollandaise sauce this method, because I know that you can use another method using like the blender, all kinds of stuff now, but I like using this method. More hands-on, and I just like it how the end result comes out. I feel in blender it comes out a little too like mayo like, and with this way it feels more like a Hollandaise sauce, like so. So 2 eggs. Set those eggs right aside. You guys can save those for something else, maybe an egg white omelet, or make meringue out of them, or make those macarons. So once we got that, now it's time to go to the stove. Alright guys, so this is this is called the method of using double boiler. Got your water in there, getting nice hot. I'm gonna set this a little on the low side, I feel like medium low. You don't want it too hot or you lose control of your eggs and you start to scramble. So just keep an eye on it. Low steady steam like this is perfect right here. So away we go. We're gonna add the bowl in. Now this is start off with a little juice on lemon juice. I start off with like about a tablespoon, and then start mixing. This is the part you want to keep mixing. Don't stop mixing, because if you do, you risk scrambling eggs. I like doing this first. This law of recipes calls for adding the butter now, but I like doing this first. That's because it gets that beautiful, more thicker base Hollandaise sauce. So keep whisking. I'm doing a small amount, so this is gonna be kind of quick. It helps too, you have a bigger whisk. Keep whisking. Reason why you want to start off with 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, because you can always add more, but you can never take away. So always taste constantly your Hollandaise sauce and adjust the seasoning to your taste. Alright my friends, so here's what it looks like. Hope you guys can see that. Adjust you guys right there. Perfect. Cook for a minute and a half or so. Not too long, because you gotta keep in mind it is 2 eggs. Here's a little trick, wrap it around the bowl. and it keeps your bowl stable. Enough. Actually, it works better with wet towel. I don't know why I'm thinking that. All right, round 2. Get your wet towel, and then there we go. And it sits and holds your bowl while you're whisking. All right. So there's a reason why I cooked my eggs first for 1.5 minutes or so, just to do the fact is, 1, well, there's only 2 yolks in here. 2, the butter's hot, so the butter's gonna finish cooking and thicken your sauce for you. So add your whole pound, half pound of butter, nice and easily, slowly but surely. Just keep stirring it. Now here's when you can make it or break it. You don't keep on stirring at the same time like this. Your yolks and the butter will start to separate, and that means the term broke. That's where you add a little at a time. Alright friends, here we go. So this is very thick, as you can see. Now this is when you add your lemon. Lemon acts not only to season it, but also a thinner. It really cuts down and brings brightness to the sauce when you add lemon. Stands up nicely with that buttery flavor. I like my Hollandaise thick though. Okay. Now here's the important part when it comes to the point of seasoning. So season to taste. Start a little bit of salt. Okay, my salt is in the butter already, so be careful of that. Freshly ground pepper. Little or a lot, it's up to you. Give that a good little whisk. The reason why I like it like this thick though, because when you drape it over your poached egg, it just slowly falls over and looks beautiful. Give it a taste. Alright guys, so get your nice and boiling hot water, and then we're gonna add to this a good amount of red wine vinegar to the water. You can use any kind of vinegar you want, but I like red wine, just like the flavor it gives. And also helps coagulate the whites around the yolk, so you put it in there so it doesn't break up the yolks, you know what I'm saying, so it keeps it together, make it look like a mozzarella ball. Then next up you're going to need is a ramekin of some sort to put the egg in, because it's easier to lay the egg. So start by cracking an egg carefully into the ramekin, followed by gently stirring. Kind of start a little whirlpool here, and then slowly add your egg. And you notice how I'm wrapping around the egg. Crack another one, and then gently lay the egg in. So you're gonna cook these how you guys like them. If you guys like them a little more on the runny side or a little more firm, takes a few minutes or so. Just pick them up gently and check them to your desired cook. Alright my friends, so get this wicked nice pot nice and hot, like so. Now I do have some little excess of butter for the Hollandaise sauce, so I'm going to use it to drizzle a little bit on here. Get it going. You can use a toaster oven, or toaster toast, however way you like it, but I gotta do it this way. Put your nice sourdough muffin there. Now, traditionally, I think this is another type of ham to use, but I like using Black Forest ham. Just love the beautiful flavor it has. Take those pieces there. Just gonna go quick. So you just want to flip these around a little bit. You don't want to overcook them because they tend to get kind of rubbery. You want a good sear just to heat those bad boys up. Throw this on. Okay. Check your toast. Nice and buttered and rich. Delicious, guys. Then, now we're cooked. Toast these bad boys up, and I think it's time to light. And now it's ready. So, add your beautiful toasted bread, like so. And then drape the beautiful ham, like so. 2 pieces each. Oh yeah. Like so. Get your beautiful egg here. Beautiful egg right there. And then, again, I like my thing pretty thick. Let me know in the comments how you like your hollandaise. Like so. And of course, you can't do nothing without fresh ground pepper. I like throwing a little kosher salt, just a tad. Just to let it hang right there. And there we go, my friends. Beautiful, delicious hollandaise. All right, you lovers here. Now the truth of the matter of what makes me really nervous making these kind of things. Oh, it's, ooh yeah. Oozy, gooey deliciousness. That is $1,000,000. First one, this guy went custardy. Custard. That's awesome. Alright guys, so that was the eggs benedict. I hope you guys enjoy that. I kind of like the custardiness of the yolk sometimes we get. It's like oozing, but yet it's like a thick type of ooze. It sounds, it's good, you know? It just the texture of it. I don't know why I like it, but anyways, so you guys can cook wherever way you like to cook your eggs. It's good, guys. I love it. Hope you guys enjoyed this awesome episode. I know I've been kind of lagging on videos. I just got a lot of stuff I gotta take care of, but don't worry, I will keep pumping them out fast as I can. You guys have any ideas or any questions, let me know in the comments below. And also too, don't forget to hit that like if you guys enjoy this beautiful recipe of eggs benedict. And also too, don't forget to subscribe if you guys are new to my channel. Hit that subscribe, really helps me out a lot. And also to hit that bell so you guys get notifications of a new video popping up. So again guys, thank you so much, and I will see you guys next time. Stay safe out there, my friends.